Okay guys, this is going to be a very short video because I just literally do not have the time today to be making videos, but I need to make this video. First of all, you had that 7.9. It's been downgraded to a 7.6, but guys, like I've said, you have got to be paying attention around Mexico, Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, and along the entirety of the coastline from Alaska all the way down to the bottom of South America, and possibly all the way to the South Pole. And really and truly, if you live anywhere that is touching the Pacific Ocean at this point over the next 2 to 3 weeks, you have really got to be paying attention. But I've gave at least 5 times I have given a warning about a large scale earthquake striking Mexico. Okay guys, this is not a game. I put these warnings out and heads up out so that you have time to prepare for what is possibly going to happen and most likely going to happen. Because I don't have time to really get into this today. Just over the next 2 to 3 weeks, guys, pay attention. Seriously, if you live anywhere around the Ring of Fire, any land that is touching the Pacific Ocean, please have a plan together for these earthquakes, submarine volcanoes, and above ground volcanoes. Please. I'm not kidding around, guys. I'm being serious. This is not the end of it right here. This 7.9 downgraded to a 7.6 is not the end. Okay? There's still, just please, guys, have a plan together. I got to get off here. Also, be aware of what's going on in the Gulf of Mexico, the Gulf states, Florida, North and South Virginia's, North and South Carolina, Texas, Mexico, Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico. Please, guys, pay attention to what's going on with these storms. There's now a 50% chance that Hurricane Isaac can become a new hurricane, or a new tropical disturbance, I should say. It has to get through those stages first. What it does, I don't know. Okay, there's two possibilities. There's 2 different points that could spawn into a tropical disturbance that have now pushed into the Gulf of Mexico. Plus, you still got the low pressure sitting right there south of Florida. It hasn't moved. So please, guys, I literally took time to make this video when I didn't have the time to make it. I'm telling you guys, seriously, heads up. Please pay attention right now. It is critical, guys. There's a lot going on, and I just do not have the time to really get into the details of it. I've tried. I've put out as much videos as I could over the last week. I've done everything in my power to prepare you guys for the things that are coming. I love you guys. Please get in the Word, stay in the Word, and get the Word in you. Father loves you guys. He loves you. He doesn't warn you ahead of time for no reason. Okay? And just because I warn you don't mean anything, guys. It doesn't mean anything. But when multiple people from around the world are warning you, you need to really be paying attention. That's Father trying to get the message to your heart. Anyways, guys, I don't have the time to make these videos today, but I love you guys. Get in the Word, stay in the Word, and get the Word in you. And please, heads up, guys, please. Again, I'm not saying anything's going to happen in the Gulf, but pay attention if you live in that region in case something is triggered over the next, basically the next 48 hours. We're going to know for sure what's going to happen, but over the next 24 hours we should have a pretty good clue what's going to be going on. But at this point, it's kind of still difficult to figure out because nothing's really changed. The remnants of Isaac have moved a little bit south. And by the way, guys, if it does become a new hurricane or a new tropical storm, it's going to have a new name because it's a different low pressure system at this point than it originally. Remember, the eye went off to the coast, and now a new pressure system is developing. Okay, guys. I mean, by the time that disturbance got all the way to the Gulf, the tail of the storm, it was only a mid-level type low pressure system. So it will get a brand new name if it in fact makes it into the Gulf. But guys, look, I love you guys. Please pay attention over the next 2 to 3 weeks. And if you live in the Gulf areas, really be paying attention over the next 48 hours. Okay, guys, I gotta go. I really do. I wish I could make a really long video because there's so much to talk about today. A lot of detail to talk about today. But Man, I wish I had the time. Anyways, guys, I got to go. I love you guys. Get in the Word, stay in the Word, and get the Word in you. And I'll be talking with you guys as soon as I can.